What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here, as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is a head wrap tutorial using anchor material. I know some other culture might call it another name, but we Nigerians call it Ankara. So using the Ankara, I'm gonna teach you how to tie your headscarf, head wrap, and hair gear, whatever you want to call it. You know, whatever floats your boat. You do you go. So keep watching, guys. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know